So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Did you see that? I just rode up in a police car. Look at what's behind me. It's a police helicopter. Are you ready to learn about police helicopters today? Yeah! Let's go! Look at the helicopter! It's so neat! Would you like to learn the parts of the helicopter with me? Come on! Come down here. This is a camera and infrared system. This is where, from the helicopter, they can search and find suspects. And then up here, this is where the pilot and the co-pilot, the TFO, sit. And the landing skids are kind of like our feet. You can land on the ground anywhere you want. Woo! Look down here. This is the PA system. This is how you communicate with the ground. Really loud speakers. Listen.
This is how we speak to the people on the ground when we're flying in the helicopter.
Yeah! Woo! And right here, this is a cargo compartment. Look, I'll open it up. That's where you store all the tie downs and the cover for the helicopter. And one of my favorite parts. This is called the night sun. It's basically a spotlight, so then you can point it at night and see what you're looking at. Whoa! This is an antenna. This down here is an antenna. And whoo, this is an antenna. Whoa! This is the name, the number, and letters of the helicopter. Will you read it with me? N668PD. Will you do that again? N668PD. Great job, come on. Woo! This is the horizontal stabilizer fin. And look, there's a light right there. That light on the left side is red, and on the right side of the helicopter is the color green. Come on, let's go to the other side. And right here, this is the tail rotor. The tail rotor is what controls the helicopter's spin from going left, woo, and right. Whoa! So this is the rear tail rotor. I didn't tell you about the main rotor. Come on. Wow! See up there? That's where the helicopter produces all of its lift from. Helicopters are so cool. Hey, this is the fuel truck. In the back here, there's a lot of fuel. And she's gonna get out and hook the hose to the helicopter. Watch. Oh, she's putting on gloves.
So she put on gloves so none of the chemicals in the fuel touch her bare hands. Oh hey, there's the fuel cap.
It's getting nice and full.
Now that the helicopter is full of fuel, we can take it for a spin.
We're about to ride inside the helicopter.
We all wore seatbelts and headsets, and they even wore helmets.
I'm ready.
What they're doing here is turning on the engine of the helicopter. See? See the main rotor spin? Whoa! It's spinning so fast!
Whoa.
And there we go! We have liftoff!
That's downtown Los Angeles. Wow, look at those tall buildings. We're really high in the sky. Look, we're higher than the buildings.
We even flew past the Griffith Observatory.
Football! Who wants a football?
And you can't forget about the Dodgers Stadium.
Hey, Blippi, you want to go see the beach? Yeah.
The TFO asked me if I wanted to go to the beach. So without a doubt, I said yeah!
We made it to the beach. And look, we're about to pass the Hollywood sign. Look!
It was a great time flying in the LAPD helicopter. There was no crime and everyone was safe.
Wow! Look, now we're inside the helicopter. I'll tell you about what's inside the helicopter, but first, let me shut the door. Okay, now that we're all locked in, we need to buckle up. Okay, one belt around my waist, and two over my shoulders. Whoa! Look! It's like a joystick. This is the cyclic. This is what you use to operate the helicopter. And the instrument panel. Wow! Like the altitude, the airspeed, the RPMs, the aviation radios, the police radios. Wow! Oh, hey! Let me unbuckle to show you this. Look at this. This screen, that's where you see the camera, the FLIR, and this is how you operate it. Look at this controller. It's so neat. It's like a video game. Oh, and last but not least, binoculars. These are used for suspects from far away so you can see them. Wow, I can see so far. Whoa, hey, that's funny.
Up in the sky every night and day. There's a superhero that can fly, and it's here to keep us safe. It's a police helicopter, a police helicopter, a police helicopter. Round and round is how the rotors go. It's got a bright spotlight shining down below with the E and
Police helicopters are used to give the officers on the ground another set of eyes, also known as backup, as well as help capture the suspects. And so then all the citizens are nice and safe.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Special thanks to the LAPD Air Support Team for making this video happen. Also, a very sincere thank you to every officer on the ground and in the air for keeping the citizens of our world safe.